น้องนี่เข้มส้มไล่หนอกุนต่างในช่วงที่ทำนาเอาดมดินกีกาของคนสายใบไปนั่งนาเอาที่เฮียนนี่ที่เฮียนออกไปในต้องออกเทียบของคนสายใบนี่ไอ้ใช้ไอ้ดองดมดินกีกายิมเพิ่มในตัวที่ในเด็กนอมในประจำสมรภูมิเพียบเฮียนี่จับปีกไก่ดำปรำไข่ผมเปิลมาตัวไงดอกผมใบไข่ดอกมุ้ยนี่ตัวแค่ใบยี่ปีชมโชื่ออันปีจะเพียบการในจงวิงกำลังออกทางยอมชอยเชิงนี่จับปีกไก่ดำปรำไข่ผมเปิลเมาไปกะในรายการล้างคือทาไงตีใบไข่ตีใบไข่ดอกเกี่ยวกับปักตะกิจอยู่ในที่ทางไทยมาเปลี่ยนตรีแต่ใครนั่นคือทาเป็นที่ไทยมันบันมาเลยกำลังเยอะเอายื้อก็เธอการตอบต่อตัวเองทำเป็นใครก็ต่อตัวเองเลยไงไปใครดาวในเปลี่ยนตรีไงที่ดับรำในดับรำก็ทาไทยนั่นคือทาบันเลยก็โจมาเปลี่ยนตรีซาเดียวทำไมนอนเทียดนะครับมันปักติดเนี่ยนั่นมาอยากเป็นมังเมาเชียงการยืมบ้านดอกไม้ในจุ่มบินนั่นคือยืมในโชว์ยืมในจอมในโชว์ยืมมายืมก็ได้คือมันเป็นอะไรปัดป้องทางคุณจะคิดเป็นอะไรมาโผล่ต้องมาโผล่โชว์ยืมมายืมก็ได้ครับนี่เป็นความอย่างเช่นอันปีจะปลูกกาคลาในจุ่มบินในโชว์ยืมระบาดอันตียืมtrong đại bàn tạm đẹp như này sẽ nơi tam lược xài một đống đá dưới con ba đã xa cà phê bộ nạp tiếp tục đấy bao nhiêu bàn cùng vùng vàตัวcái nàyคือทางตะเกียบcáคือยืนในสาบานหนึ่งโลเป็นนิดนึงมาโซนไกลอย่างนอคนได้ผมพูดเอาตามันจะเทียบมาเป็นกังไอ้หนึ่งสมาคมมาสำหรับจุนเป็นกังในบ้านโยมน้อยทำการเราบางเทียบกองกองในชุมนุมในนมมองกองกองเส้นในช่วยยืนกันกระดานเด็กในบางทราบจวบเราจะเช็ดหน้ากองกองในใส่ตัวตุ่มตาดิvà chúng tôi tay ẩm nọ quân con cô nơi thà đó ẩm đây đây là ban vô thay chui thay là xa ẩm luôn phải ban là thà vật phim về cả lọc từ dùng nơi than bình nhưng mà quân trên này con sông quạt lọp miền mật phệ đại chỉ thể hiện trong non quạt nữa lòng quạt nữa
Tell him that white stuff that's coming out of there is infection and it's killing it.
ถ้านำซอมันกดเลียบนั่นดำใบกัดกับเอาคลาย
Thanks, Doc.
ปีกรอบบุญมาดองปัตตานีเลิฟปีบุญดอง
Yeah, like Tylenol.
Cho nó giá đại đồ được chưa và ba chào có cho nó tay nhau kìa nó chụp năng ngày bao nó chụp năng ra như ngày nào xin lỗi Tràn
people go up to the hill or up to the mountain of River here. So it take about 45 minutes up there from this checkpoint here. This is checkpoint bunker everywhere. This is bunker River here. ពួកឯងនេះម៉ូតូឌុបបាទម៉ូតូឌុបឡើងទៅលើភ្នំព្រះវិហារបាទហើយបើបងប្អូនទេសចរមកចង់ឡើងទៅព្រះវិហារបើយើងជួលជិះម៉ូតូហ្នឹងអស់តម្លៃប្រហែលបាទតម្លៃឡើងចុះហើយវាធូរថ្លៃដែរបងហើយជាប្រហែលបាទឡើងបាទ10000ឡើង10000ចុះបង20000បាទអូខេតម្លៃឡើងពីនេះទៅអស់20000ហើយប្រហែលជាប្រហែលមិនិតបានឡើងទៅដល់លើឡើង20នាទីបង20នាទីហ៎បាទផ្លូវឃើញផ្លូវយើងចេះថាល្អទៅបងណាបាទឃើញដល់សម្ដេចអីគាត់ធ្វើផ្លូវឡើងទៅលើទៅដូចជាល្អទៅខ្ញុំអ្នករត់ម៉ូតូដូចចុះតម្លៃឲ្យបងប្អូនបាទអស់តែ10000បាទ10000លុយខ្មែរបាទអូម៉ូតូឡើងទៅដូចវាស្រួលហើយបងបាទអូខេស្រួលជាងមុនមុនសាក់តែភុកសាក់តែភក់អីយ៉ាងមេឃភ្លៀងមកពិបាកដល់ភ្ញៀវទៀតឥឡូវគេធ្វើចុះអីឥឡូវអត់ឲ្យភ្ញៀវចុះដើរទេឥឡូវធ្វើថ្នល់មានស៊ីម៉ង់ឡើងដល់កពូលមិនទាន់ដល់ទេបងទៅដល់ជាងពាក់កដាលបាទជាងពាក់កដាលក៏ដល់ពេលផ្លូវវិញថាផ្លូវយើងនេះជាងពាក់កដាលផ្លូវឡើងលើឥឡូវក៏វាអត់សូវពិបាកដែរព្រោះមេឃវាអត់ភ្លៀងបាទតាមមន្ទីរអង្គការខាងណាគេណាបារម្ភខ្ញុំក្នុងអង្គការនេះណាគឺបាទ1000 ទូលលោសរ៉េតទៅដែរចនមួយគេថោតាមអីមានកំណាំគេដាក់ទៅបាញ់ទឹកណាំទៅឲ្យលាយអស់ហើយពីបងហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងហើយឃើញបែបមានអញ្ចឹងទៀតអញ្ចឹងក៏មិនទៅដល់គេវិញចាំជួយកូនចូលក្នុងការចិត្តឲ្យទៅបានមិនគួរដើម្បីជួយលើកចិត្តដល់បងគាត់ធ្លាប់មានប្រកាន់កម្មកិច្ចពិតៗសំខាន់នេះគឺដោយសារកម្មសិទ្ធិវៀតណាមគាត់បានប្រតិយុទ្ធចូលស្មារតីជួយដល់ខ្មែរប្រឆាំងបានហើយនឹងបានជាមួយនឹងខ្មែរទូកាយធ្វើខ្មែរ30ខែបានអានេះជារឿងអតីតកាលរបស់គាត់ឡានចាំធ្វើដំណើរឡើងទៅចាំយើងមិនអាចទៅបានទេយើងចាំទៅមានគេនេះខាងថ្នាក់លើមកទទួលយើងដូចថាយើងមានឡានពីរដែរមកដល់ហ្នឹងឡើយហ្នឹងប៉ុន្តែយើងនៅរងចាំឡានទទួលពីថ្នាក់លើសួស្តីជាថ្មីលោកស្រីក៏បានឃើញសកម្មភាពខ្លះកាលពីម្សិលមិញដែលជាប់ផ្តិតជាមួយនឹងលោកចនបបដេលមកពីទីក្រុង Lowell ផងដែរគាត់គឺជាអតីតទាហានចំនួនសង្គ្រាមអាមេរិកហើយនឹងប្រទេសយួនឬក៏វៀតណាមវ៉រហើយគាត់ក៏ជាវីរៈជនដ៏ក្លាហានមួយរូបដែលសហការហើយនឹងធ្លាប់មានមិត្តភ័ក្តិជាទាហានខ្មែរក្នុងចំណោមនោះហើយគាត់ក៏ជាអ្នកស្នេហាជាតិជាពិសេសទាក់ទងនឹងប្រទេសកម្ពុជាយើងប្រជាជនខ្មែរយើងហើយគាត់ក៏បានចុះមកធ្វើការនៅក្នុងប្រទេសកម្ពុជាយើងនឹងជាច្រើនឆ្នាំជាច្រើនលើកមកដែរគាត់អញ្ជើញមកនៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះក្នុងសហការជាប្រធាននិងជាគណៈកម្មការនៅក្នុងអង្គការមួយហៅថា Focus ហើយជាភាសាខ្មែរហៅថាអង្គការមិត្តភាពរវាងខ្មែរហើយនិងសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកឬអង្គការមិត្តភាពខ្មែរអាមេរិកបាទ Hi John, how are you doing?
Pretty good.
How was your morning today?
I feel great.
How was yesterday the action?
It was all right. We did a good job, I think.
Okay. What do you want to say to Lowen
citizen over there?
Well, I just want to thank the people in Lowell, Revere, and the area for their quick donations. We'll be giving some funds to the families of the fallen, and we gave some funds yesterday to 100 or so people up on the 43rd Division. Yeah, ask me why I'm here and stuff.
The sound and distortion of the sound ដោយបានពីតំបន់ទី2ក្នុងឡូហើយនឹងលោកជំនាញដើម្បីយកវិការនោះមកជួយទៅដល់ប្រជាជនដែលភាគទីជីវិតនៅក្នុងសមរភូមិកាលពីថ្ងៃទី15ខែតុលាឆ្នាំ2013ទៅដល់សមាជិកគ្រួសារដែលស្វាមីរបស់ខ្លួនបានភាគទីជីវិតនៅក្នុងសមរភូមិរវាងការវិវាទរវាងសៀមហើយនិងកម្ពុជាយើងទាក់ទងនឹងប្រាសាទព្រះវិហារនោះផងដែរ John, and what is your main goal that you focus coming to Cambodia this trip?
The main goal,
besides Previhir,
besides the mission for, I feel that my families come here, my wife and children, grandchildren, and that temple right there belongs to Cambodia. They're Cambodian, and these brave men are here to defend it. So I volunteer to come as a medic. If anyone is hurt or goes down, then I'll defend them.
And traded how to treating
Right.
a soldier that was infected.
I'm a qualified medic.
With a minor cut yesterday.
Right.
How do you feel after you've done something that you have not done for a while? I know you're a foreman.
It's like second nature. It's like riding a bicycle or swimming. If you don't swim for 20 years, you jump in, you can still swim.
Very experienced. Those you.
Well, my body's American, my heart and soul's Khmer. These boys, they have old weapons.
Political group or association with any political leader. We are come with open arm and took our people. Unfortunately, today we are honored to be having some, piece of it, which is to support for the
Here, tập trung một việc đấy, và đi cái việc đầu tiên, ông ca mới tập hiệp, Campuchia, Amerik, và này kia chỉ hiên và ông ca là sắp ra sắp
check
mà còn tự còn tích, này kia là việc này kia tập trung cho sinh viên, lột sạc rễ, hay là lột rết, chọn được mình hiên học gì.